All right, you guys. So, tried to get it done yesterday, but had some people question what I was doing, so I had to take a stop everything that I was doing and play possum for a little bit. But here's the gas tank. It's inside the van right now. The old fuel pump you see on top of the gas tank there. Getting ready to remove it. The hoses are mainly underneath the van still. I got some asshole blowing leaves and dust everywhere down there right now outside. That works here. He's here like 12 times a day and doesn't know when to fucking quit. So this guy right here needs to go. If I can hear his ass, give me a second here. All right. So, anyways, back to it. Let me grab the new fuel pump. Oh. All right. So. This is the new fuel pump. Says it fits this unit, so hopefully it does, and we go from there. All right, so looking at this. Looks like there's one or two things I'm gonna have to remove, but this is interesting how this slides like this. I don't know what the hell that means. How it slides, maybe because I had to adjust to the. But let me set this down for a minute and take out the old one. We're gonna check out the lock ring. So, with a little help. Show you. Get out of here.